Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flicker Brain. In today's video I'm going to be sharing 2 key points for a successful loading in any AdSense account. Okay, so for those of you that are new to this channel, you can click on the subscribe button and follow me for more of this content. Okay, now you can see what we have done so far on this particular account. I can see that this particular account we have made over $8,000 on this account this month, and you can see today so far what we have done on the particular account, and you can see the CPC, that the CPC is high, everything is perfectly going fine. And for those of you that brought account lately this week, hold on, I'm still going to work on your account. We'll start working on your account, start pushing in traffic from tomorrow. And if you have bringing any AdSense account, please don't bring any AdSense account again for partnership. Partnership will begin from next month. I'm done with receiving accounts for this month. There are lots of accounts on my hands, and I also have many accounts I'm working on. So many, there are many that, and some are not even on this laptop. There are so many accounts I'm working on. Let me show you guys what I've also done on this particular AdSense account. So you can see that this strategy is an effective method. You can see over here, you can see what we have made on this particular account. You can see that this account has good earnings. You can also see today so far what was done on the account. And you can see the CPC. You can see that the CPC is high. Everything is moving perfectly fine. Everything is working perfectly fine. These accounts I'm working on are account that has little organic traffic mixed with my arbitrage strategy plus my loading method. The loading method is what is effective here. Is what much of the traffic here is not more of arbitrage, it's more of loading, and little arbitrage mixed with it plus the organic traffic. So that's my strategy. That's what I work with. So if you're interested in learning my method, you can click on the link below. You're going to see a link on the description box. Now, secondly, regarding the key points I was talking about. Now, for those of you that are making use of PI proxy, this PI proxy is having a lot of issues lately. I've been checking it. If you're working with PI proxy lately, if you're analyzing your proxy with Scamalistic, you're going to notice that it's having a lot of high fraud scores, and these are things that bring ad limit to your site. So I advise you, if you're working with PI proxy, you can actually move to Cherry proxy. Work with Cherry proxy because it's going to be much better. And if you're getting ad limits lately and you're using a good proxy like Foxy, that means your strategy is not working. For those of you that are coming to my DM and telling me that you're also making use of Foxy proxy, if you're making use of Foxy proxy and you're still getting ad limits, that means your strategy is not effective. Okay, so for those of you that's also interested in how this method works, you can click on the link in the description box. You're going to see contact info, and you can reach out to me for more inquiries. All right, see you guys in the next video, and stay safe.